Welcome to Red Brook Farm in Scarborough, Maine. We're out back here in the bee yard. It's December 12th, 2008. It's a little after 1 in the afternoon, and this is the afternoon after a pretty significant ice storm here in the Northeast. The power's out here at the farm, and what you see is all of the ice on the trees. It's about about almost half an inch of ice, which is pretty dangerous. But right now the sun's out, and hopefully with a couple hours of sunshine, what we'll end up being able to do is get rid of some of this ice. And what we come in on is our beehives. They're wrapped for the winter. And what we've done here, wrapping it for the winter, what you've got is the water dripping right off of it, off the hives. It's about 40 degrees out here now. I'm going to take a minute here and scrape out some of the dead bees that have been pushed out. This time of year the bees cluster in the hives, and what happens is naturally many of them will die in the winter, and what they do is they bring them out to the front door of the hive, where they when they bring them out, they push them out, they take care of them. What we're going to do here, as you can see, there's some activity here. Here it is, December 12th, and we have this young lady. I know that's a female, and what she's doing is sitting in the sun here. It doesn't show very well, apologize. Sitting in the sun, getting warm, feeling the warmth from that tar paper. That tar paper is very warm. And what we're doing with the tar paper, what the tar paper does is provide a little solar gain. So kind of like when the sun's really out, you know, it might make a 7, 8, 10 degree difference inside the hive in the temperature. This is hive number 4. There are 9 of them here that were overwintering. We had 10 at the beginning of the summer, and we're down to 9. We had to combine one, and what I'm going to do is clean out that bee entrance there. You can see there's quite a bit, and I'll clean that out. Scrape that out, get those out of there. It's going to be cold tonight. It's going to be down in the teens tonight, and so what we're hoping is this cold and warm, and what happens is the worker bees they bring the bees right out. Hive number 6. Hive number 7. You can see the ice. You can see the ice on the grass. This is we're out in the field. And we can see the ice on the sides of the hive here. See this sunshine warm it up. You can see one bee actually flying 40 degrees out. That bee's not gonna. That bee's nuts. You're flying around. What they do is they come out. They won't go to the bathroom. They don't extricate. They don't extricate out in the hive. They do it outside. And what I'm wondering is, what is all of this sawdust here? You can actually see some mites. I don't know if you can see this or not. The dark specks are mites, and the light specks look like it's some wood of some kind. So, just a little update here from Red Brook Farm, Scarborough, Maine. Winter time. There's a little view of the landscape. It's amazing.